Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. This week we're hopping into Chapter 11, Sexuality, Contraception, and Reproductive Organs. Pretty much a routine week for us. You've got this intro video, your PowerPoint, your lab, your quiz, and then the checklist, of course, just making sure these bars are filled. I realize things are a little bit different now. I hope that you've made the transition to be fully online for those of you that were not prior to the closure of NCC. I hope that the transition has gone smoothly for you. I pray that you're all staying safe. I've really debated as a health instructor how much time to devote to coronavirus, but the reality is, you guys have heard so much about it, and so I figured just continuing with our regular content would be a nice break. I do just want to put a couple reminders in there. Please follow CDC guidelines, practice your social distancing, washing hands as frequently as possible, and using hand sanitizer, of course, not touching your face, all the things that you've been hearing. But more importantly, because I think most of us are heeding that advice. So as we practice social isolation, and I'll be honest, that may be the most important of them all, make sure you're taking care of yourself and focusing on all areas of health and wellness. Get outside and enjoy some sunlight, get some physical activity, stay connected to friends, family, and loved ones virtually and online. But just take care of yourself. Okay. With that being said, as always, I'm here for any assistance or guidance that you may need. It's a pretty straightforward chapter, so have a great week and let me know how I can assist. Take care.